good, YouTube? Back with another video. And today we outside, man. We at this little park and chill. Everybody out, got the big toys out, media out here, all that good shit. We just chilling right now, man. We gonna have a little cruise, little session too. I don't know how that's gonna get, but I know it's gonna get active though. And y'all stay tuned. We got Camaros, we got Chargers, we got Mustangs, even a Lambo pulled up, BMWs, all type of shit, you name it. We got it out here, folks. Old school SRT Jeep, stop playing. I ain't need one, folks. Damn.
Bro, I saw this post. It was like something. What the fuck is it? It was like something. Car people, car guys, like a tire game.
And she playing that shit, folks. There's something about the.
What if I tried to trade my shit in for a Charger?
This the 3-on-2 nigga though.
Oh, I think it's a girl.
You and your crew can suck my dick. Folks in this Charger going crazy, folks. You hear that motherfucker. That motherfucker. Hell no, fuck. Photo, we're just overdoing those bitches.
I was just overly doing my shit, bro. I recorded that whole thing. Nobody want to see what the fuck I got.
Motherfucker got a Tonka truck.
Oh, I think I do need some brake fluid. That's probably why. Where's the liner? I can't see that shit. Oh, wait, no, you don't.
That's his power steering.
Yeah, that's power steering?
Yeah.
That's what it is. Oh, this power steering. Where the fuck the brake fluid at?
Shit.
You don't got none.
That's I remember seeing his shit in the takeover. His shit.
Oh, bro.
Yeah, bro. I was watching your shit. Your shit was.
Oh, yeah, I remember him. Oh, yeah, I remember that shit.
Oh.
Yeah, he was on the takeover. That was the when we had went to it. That shit was busting for us.
That was the one where my fucking brakes was fucked up. I said that shit.
Oh yeah, you couldn't go to that shit.
Bro.
Oh, that shit. You be missing the best one. I ain't gonna lie. Bro,
More like a.
Your brake fluid, right? Is that brake fluid?
I need to clean this engine bay, folks.
Yeah, your brake fluid, right? Hell. This
That's-
your brake fluid.
This is power steering.
That's not.
This, I think this is the brake fluid. Because this is his power steering. It's
Oh
his-
shit.
Huh? Yeah, we just cruising type shit. Hell yeah. See y'all in that Hemi thing. Come on now. He said, "It's a car beat or something." Shit, he was not just with us.
This is my brake fluid? Yeah, that is my brake fluid. That's probably what it is.
It gotta be shit. Look up brake fluid. Just look on Google right quick. See what's the location on your.
I go right up to AutoZone.
You can do that shit right now. Look on Google.
All the time I should. Get some brake fluid right now. Is that David?
Yeah, no, that nigga in the You got a replica out with us.
Oh, he is in the lane. I'm sorry. What the fuck my power steering is?
Big lamb chop coming through.
Alright, so this is my coolant, right?
I'm telling this nigga go on Google to find his shit, bro.
Bro, I need. I don't know what the fuck going
Yo,
on.
he trying to look for his brake fluid, folks.
brake fluid.
Oh,
It
shit.
ain't this.
Ask a motherfucker who got a scat. Shit. Damn. Damn, this fucking wide body goes crazy.
Another cat.
We all about a good shit, folks.
Bro,
Now, finally.
This nigga, the first nigga that don't know how no damn power steering fluid.
You got the red guts in that bitch.
That shit low-key might be better.
Man, what happened to your lens, my boy?
I ain't gonna lie, I had this bitch replaced, and I broke that bitch again.
Shit. Motherfucker, hell of back.
I don't know, I'll be dropping my phone, bro.
Yeah. I'm gonna need some gas after this shit. My shit 1 notch away from E, folk. My ass gonna be stranded down here. My boy ain't never seen no shit like this before. Dude in all white. Phone them, great.
Walking around. Let me
Hell yeah. Out there, nothing to get one of these bitches there. On bro. Oh, he's state police. His ass the Fed. Got Chucky in the back. That's how my shit need to be signed. Phone there. He thought he was doing some shit. Like niggas finna run.
They just added a whole
Say put that shit out. But nah, man, we downtown with it, folks. We was just cutting up on the airway real bad. Biscat, Rango, some more shit. We got other shit out. Got Lambos out, all that good shit, man. That shit like you'll see some shit in a movie, a horror movie, folks.
Still people. It's the Tahoe right here. This is the Tahoe.
Suburban, Chevy.
We still got hella people pulling up.
All type of shit out here, man. Big 392.
That shit ain't ever pop. Okay, but that shit ain't ever pop up on my Camaro. But I be dogging my Camaro. I was dogging my Camaro. Nigga, when did I slam on my brakes hard?
I'm slammed on your brakes hard a couple times.
Bro, it was probably like one.
Y'all, his ABS center. ABS center. Damn. ABS center. Damn. ABS center. Get to his ass. You had to try that shit 3 times, bro. I said center. Talking like Mike Tyson in this motherfucker, folks. Yeah, this bitch is getting active on her,
You
folks.
probably the one that was doing that.
He was getting active.
Who do?
You do?
Hey, this was a sticker on the side.
Yeah, he got the demon hood on that motherfucker. But hell yeah, we downtown Chicago, man. Everybody getting active there. They got active today, man. Going to the spot. big Rango, folks. That bitch do it, folks.
It's Nick too. It looks to be. She's still pushing that.
Shit. Hey, I fuck with the badge.
Everybody out here in the rat.
She had to pop the glasses on, like, yeah, I gotta see me.
I'm in the middle.
This is gonna fly out that motherfucker. Damn, fool, I ain't gonna lie.
Oh yeah, that track definitely. Ain't that bitch shorty?
Damn. Damn. Turbo some shit. I don't know. Pull out 12, like 12 hours. Hey, right there. I don't have time for this shit. K9 Patrol.
She got that dog in the back. That dog in the
I will sick him on you.
I ain't gonna lie, I might give me a SRT bag.
I thought you was gonna say Lamborghini.
Might give me an SRT bag.
I thought so too.
I thought he was like something wrong.
Hey, he probably can. He can do it. Shit.
I was like, bro, where this nigga getting money from? He was pointing over there. I thought I was like, bro, ain't no way he saved.
I need to get me a.
I thought they said working
It's a full moon.
I wasn't getting no Lambo.
You were pointing over there. That's why I was like,
Damn.
I got a charge.
Alright, so YouTube, we at the end of the video. That shit was crazy, y'all. Gas light that came on. It was like a cut up session on the E-Way and everything, y'all. Stay tuned for the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'm out.